Welcome to this interview. We are here today with David Garner, one of our BotTronic subscribers. Welcome, David. So good to have you here today.
Thank you. It's great to be here.
I was looking forward to this because I know that you have been looking to find something like BotTronic for yourself to grow your income. But first and foremost, I just want to know a little bit more about you. Can you just tell a little bit more about yourself to everyone and where you're from?
Absolutely. So like she said, my name is David Garner. I am in the United States. I'm located in Kentucky right now. I'm finishing up training to be a child neurologist and have really enjoyed this opportunity to be a part of BotTronics.
Awesome. Thank you. So did you have any experience with Forex trading before you came to us?
I did not have any experience with Forex trading. In fact, as I was reading through a lot of the informational material beforehand, it was a totally new world to me. I had to look up a couple of words and things, being that it was a foreign vocabulary and foreign world to me.
And how do you feel now? Because you have been with us since the very beginning. You even were in the beta testing of BotTronic. How do you feel now? Now you have been with us for like about 2 months, is it now?
Yes, I appreciated being able to participate in that initial onset with the beta testing. And now I feel a little bit more comfortable. I still feel like there are things that I learn on a regular basis, questions that are asked in the group chat or things that I read online. So I feel like I still am learning, but I definitely feel like it's been a great help. There was always lots of support as we were trying to set up each of my account. I also helped my parents walk through and set up an account for them. And awesome. For them, it's been a new experience as well. So
I mean, it's and that's what BotTronic is all about. We started this with the intention of making it accessible to everyone, really. Even if you have never done it before, then we still want you to be able to use it. But tell me a little bit about the subscription that you have chosen to use and how that's going for you.
Yeah, so there are multiple subscriptions, as you can see on the website. My wife and I decided that we would choose the BotTronic subscription, which is one of the automated bot subscriptions. It's probably the second tier up from a cost standpoint, for the subscription itself. But we wanted it to be something that we could leave and let go and just have the bots that is also overseen by somebody who knows the trading market, and have it be something that could have lots of trades during the month and have hopefully a 30% return on investment. Obviously, the return on investment is never guaranteed. However, like we said last month, it was we have gone through an entire month now, plus some on a subscription. And last month I did have 32% over the course of the month for my return on investment. So we had initially started with $2,000 just in an attempt to get going, see how things were working. And with that 32%, we made about $700 overall.
Yeah,
that was a great return on our investment, and it was fantastic results that we had last month.
Awesome. Well, on to the next one as well. So when you started setting up your account, and did you find that easy, or were there a few hiccups here and there? What did you feel about that?
So as we were first getting started, there were, again, a couple of terms that I didn't really understand, and I had to ask a couple of questions to Elizabeth. She was very helpful in getting my account set up. But in general, I would say the process is fairly easy. I think going through it once was very helpful, that I'm easily able to walk other people through it now if they have questions.
Yeah.
So it's from a setup standpoint, you couldn't ask for an easier setup to be able to link a very complex trading system to somebody who doesn't know anything at all.
Yeah. And that's good to hear, because that means we're doing something right. So if you have spoken to a few people on the team right now, I'm one of them, but you have of course spoken to a few more. What is the experience with that? And overall, do you feel that everyone is approachable and there for you?
Absolutely. I've in the video that has been shown on a weekly basis, as well as through each of the sites, I've personally spoken with Jeff and Danny and Elizabeth, all who have been very helpful in any questions that I've had, or as I've had questions come up from people that I've talked to that I didn't quite know the answer to. Everybody has been very responsive, always responding within 24 hours. And I'm not promising anything from their standpoint, but they have all done very, very well, and been able to help out with any questions that I've had.
So
I've been very pleased with the response that I've gotten.
So I remember that you had some experience with other platforms before. How does this compare to you? How do you feel about it if you make a comparison?
Yeah, I have tried one other platform. My parents have tried a couple of other platforms. And the one that I tried, I ended up losing a lot of money. I felt very out of control with everything that was going on. We submitted money to the platform, and then the platform essentially was in control of everything. I don't feel like that's the case at all with this. I feel like I can move my money at any time that I want, in and out of the broker. I feel like that this is not a platform where I give all my money away to somebody and they do what they want with it and give me back what they want. This is very much I am subscribing to a service that is offering a service. I keep control of my money. It runs in my broker. They copy the trades at any point. I can stop the trades if I want. I can. I could theoretically make my own trades if I knew what I was doing, but I don't. So I don't touch any of that information. And I have that ability to, when I do have a profit. For example, last month when there was a day that had some really good returns on it, and I had gotten up past $500 in the account, and I took that money out. And it was great to see $500 come out into my bank account.
Yeah. And that's what this is all about, to create something passively that you just have to push a few buttons to kind of withdraw that money from the broker. So you are in the United States. So the question about what kind of broker should I use, I would like to know from you. You are in the United States, and the United States are a little bit regulated, so we only have a few choices for that. Which one did you go with?
So originally we only had one option, and so I chose that option. And that broker has since been removed from the platform due to multiple reasons of we don't need to necessarily go into. But I ended up switching to the current one that I have is BPS.
Okay.
And that broker has been very helpful. I felt like it was much easier to set up than the first broker that I had. It was very straightforward. The verification process was easy. And I also like that broker now because I can actually pay with a credit card. There's no fees. The funds were deposited almost instantaneously into the account. And it makes it a lot easier as well for me to talk to other people about it. Because I know many people are not familiar with the cryptocurrency market, and the other broker, you do have to deposit with cryptocurrency, which I know how to do and I'm familiar with, but a lot of my friends and colleagues don't know anything about the cryptocurrency market. And so this broker is nice because it's easy, it's straightforward. People can pay with a credit card and fund their account that way, and then set it up so that you can just withdraw directly to a bank account.
That's awesome. So if you are if someone is watching this and still feels a little bit on the fence about BotTronic or Forex in general, what would you say to them? What is something that you can tell them to make them more at ease?
I have always been a go-getter. I've always been, an early adopter, somebody who will try things out. And I always encourage people to do that as well, to give it a chance, try it out. It's not a lot of money when it comes down to it. And honestly, this is a better investment than keeping it in the bank right now.
Yeah.
Even if 30% is crazy return on investment, but even if they made 5% return on investment, you're not making anywhere close to that if your money's sitting in a bank. So give it a chance. Try it out. Never invest money that you don't have.
Yeah,
that's always a rule of investing. But if you have a little extra, try investing some of it and see where it goes. Give it a couple of months. And I do not think that you will be disappointed.
No, I think Forex is a lot of people are looking for that get rich quick scenario. Like, let's put some money in and the next month that's going to be doubled. But Forex in itself is a long-term strategy. You have to kind of look at it in a way. And I actually had a conversation earlier today, and we were talking about how if you look at it from a perspective that if you were able to grow 5% per month on your investments, would that be awesome? Yeah, of course that would be awesome. But that's if you look at it like that, you are never going to be disappointed with this sort of thing, because even if we not making the targets ROI that we are having, which is 30% or 20%, depending on the subscription that you have, 5% is awesome too. Where are you gonna get that?
And I also really appreciate with the company that if you do have a month where you have a negative balance at the end of the month, you get a month for free. That's an awesome promise that you don't get in investing strategies. That's not something that is standard out in the investing world. So the fact that there is a guarantee of positive balance is awesome to hear.
Yeah, and that was very important to us as well, because we are that sure. I mean, and positive balance also could mean 1%, but at least it's positive.
Hey, 1% is better than I'm making in the bank. So
yeah, and that was kind of our thing behind it, like, because we want to reassure people that we are serious about the trading, and we will never take risks that are not necessary. So BotTronic has a referral plan, but not everyone is using that. Are you going to be referring people? Are you referring people right now to BotTronic?
I am. Like I had mentioned earlier, my parents signed up under me. And I also have a friend that is in the process. He is going through the cryptocurrency process and has to wait 7 days before his money is able to be transferred out of the platform to the broker. But he will be signing up shortly. And I have had a couple other people express interest. They are currently in the process. It's summertime, people are busy, people are on vacations. And so they've told me, yes, we are interested. We will likely sign up, but we need some time before we can sign up. So I'm really excited about that referral process as well. One of my goals is to be able to get my subscription paid for. So I want that monthly subscription paid for, which is not going to be difficult to do. And even if it wasn't paid for through referrals, I'm still making quite a bit on the process itself that can pay for itself.
Yeah, and I think I calculated the other day, you only need 7 people to have your subscription paid for per subscription. So if you have like 7 friends, family, or in your network itself who also want to trade automatically, then there you go. Then your subscription is paid for.
Yeah, and you don't technically even need 7 personal referrals. You could have people that they refer as secondary referrals. And get up there as well.
Yeah, so that's where the referral plan was designed on the price of the subscription. So it's really based on that. And we are really looking forward to a few things. Right now, we are like developing like a marketing system for it as well. So we have a few people really interested in building a BotTronic business in terms of let the world know about what's going on over here.
Yeah, absolutely, Elizabeth.
That's awesome. So if you had to rate BotTronic right now, knowing what you know, on a scale from 1 to 10, what would you give us? And you can be honest.
I would say 10 out of 10. I had spoken with you, Elizabeth, just a couple days ago about something that had come up and something that I was concerned about with the platform. And I felt like it was handled very professionally. I felt like I was able to speak with the leaders of the company. I was able to express some of the concerns that I had as a consumer or as somebody who is participating in this platform. And I felt like I was able to have that discussion and be able to experience that communication and that open dialogue between let's figure out how we can make this work. So that everybody is happy, that the company continues to be profitable as a company, that me as a consumer can continue to be profitable and happy as a consumer. So I would definitely say my experiences so far, I would recommend this to everyone. I would give you a 10 out of 10.
Awesome. That's great news. So of course I'm going to invite you in a few months again, and then hopefully we're going to have a whole different conversation, and BotTronic is even more popular with so many people.
Oh yes.
But what if I'm going to put your link underneath the video, and I know that you are developing yourself as a mentor to people and helping them to on their journey in Forex. What do you want to say then? Why should they join you in your BotTronic journey?
Absolutely. This has become one of my hobbies. My parents may laugh, but I have really latched onto this. Going through medical training, I have been very busy. I've been essentially doing education for my entire life. And I have really, a lot of my previous hobbies have kind of fallen by the wayside. I haven't had time. I haven't had the excitement that I've gotten from some of those previous hobbies. This is really latched on. I have been very excited. I've been learning and growing in this area. And I have been able to help people already walk through this process. I've been able to explain the cryptocurrency world. I've been able to help them understand Forex trading a little bit more. And so I feel like I am a good mentor in the sense that I can help walk you through, even if you do have questions. And if I don't know the answer, I know how to get in touch with Elizabeth, who does know the answer. So.
Yeah, absolutely. Awesome. David, thank you so much for joining me today. And anyone who has any question whatsoever, again, we keep saying it, reach out to us. Like you can ask us on the website, you can come into the Telegram group, visit our Facebook page, whatever you want, whatever you need, we are here for it. Thank you so much all for watching, and we'll see you on the next interview.
Thank you.
We are on a mission to redefine and simplify bot trading in the Forex markets. This means we are taking automated copy bot trading to the next level. Plan like a human. Trade like a machine. Quick, precise, and free from emotional influence. Are you tired of staring at the screen, waiting for the right opportunity to land in your lap? Then let me show you how we can make a difference. Registered and verified. Partnered with official brokers. 100% transparency on trades. BotTronic is on a mission to build a worldwide community and make copy trading accessible to a wide range of people through our subscription service. Let me explain how it all works. You are in total control at all times through an official Forex broker. We don't manage your money. You only pay us a fee to use our service to trade automatically with our experienced team of traders. Setting up and getting started with BotTronic is simple. We've got you. We like to keep things simple, so we have developed various subscriptions for you to choose from. No nonsense and straightforward. All budgets are covered. So, about our affiliate program. Do you have a network? Referring to people is simple. You can earn a monthly passive income from every subscriber you introduce to the platform, and for as long as your subscriber stays with us, you get paid. The program is based on 3 levels of referrals. You can definitely build a legacy income with us. Are you ready to trade like an expert? Then create your account today. This is how. Contact the person who introduced you to BotTronic and ask for the referral link. Create your account and follow the comprehensive manuals we have available in the dashboard. We are redefining bot trading and want to help you redefine your financial abundance. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope to welcome you to BotTronic.